Yes, it's another small Davoli amp with ECL 84s, I think. But this time it's a seafoam green apple kind of blue color, even more magnificent than the last one. And here is the inside of the amp. It seemed to be a bit loose on this side. I don't know what was going on here. Oh yeah, okay. Still the top screws are a bit dodgy. Okay. Here we go. Inside of the amp. Power cord is here, so this should be the power transformer. Output transformer. Main filter caps, preamp tube. And the combined triodes and pentodes are in the back there. Here is a circuit which is very haphazardly constructed inside this sort of metal chassis. Doesn't have a jack plug, it has a special microphone connector. This is not a jack, it's for the pedal and it doesn't fit a normal jack. We have tone, volume, trem. Those are on-off switches for the amp in general and for the trem, I think. And then we have the common European voltage selector switch, which has a maximum of 220. Yeah, that was the problem with the other amp as well. We've got 240 here, so. But you could switch this if you were in Italy to 160 or to 140 if you were in Czechoslovakia, and if you were on tour in Bulgaria 125, or even for the States it would work. Let's 220. It's got a nice Alnico speaker, but something's going on down there. I'll have to inspect. I hope this speaker is okay, but I have my doubts. And there's a schematic. 010823. We've seen this before. Okay, we're plugged into the current limiter over there behind the champ here. Can't see it. I'll have a look. See if we got any life in this thing. Oh yeah, fire in a hole. I've got the guitar connected with some alligator clips. Probably has to heat up. Do you see any? Yes. I think I see some lights burning. No sound. Oh yeah, we got some sound. That's a tone control. Very scratchy. We have a filter capacitor problem. Scratchy pots. Let's clear it like this. Let's see what we have. We're okay. We've got like 0.02 volts on the chassis. A little more here. So it's actually kind of safe. That's good. Very noisy. Okay, there are four screws in the top that keep the chassis in place. You have to screw them out real carefully. And of course the speaker is hardwired to the output transformer, so we'll have to desolder this first. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, and out it comes. Okay. We've got some secret Italian love letters, of course, in the inside of the cabinet here. 159. I saw something else before that. Oh, yeah. No. Okay. So here's like the signature of the Italian Lupi who soldered this amp. And I think it's Cloudy, something like that. What's that last letter? Cloudy. I don't know. Great thing they put the schematic inside the amp. Yeah, great. But of course I've spotted the problem with the speaker. Let me see. You see the hole? There's a quite sizable hole in the speaker over here, and sort of like the grill cloth thing is shining through. Here's a tube complement. It's 112AX7, and that's an RCA tube, but made in Italy. Watch this. RCA tube, made in Italy. Made in Italy. And then we have two Dutch tubes, I suppose, Philips Mini Watts ECL 82, not 84. Looking kinda cool and original, suppose they are.